Imagine there's a switch in your mind, a big red one, labeled struggle. And every time you feel something unpleasant, anxiety, anger, sadness, pain, that switch flips on. What happens when it flips? You start fighting the feeling, fighting yourself for feeling it, fighting the idea that it shouldn't be happening. You might say things like, I shouldn't feel this way. This means something's wrong with me. Why can't I just get over it? But here's the problem. The more you fight those feelings, the bigger and more powerful they become. Anxiety grows, sadness deepens, pain gets louder. That's the essence of the struggle switch metaphor, a concept from acceptance and commitment therapy. The idea is simple. It's not the feeling itself that causes suffering. It's the struggle with the feeling. Now here's the twist. What happens when the switch is off? You still feel pain. You still feel anxiety. You still feel sadness. But you're not at war with those emotions anymore. You let them come and go, like passing weather. You don't waste energy judging, suppressing, or avoiding. And that gives you space to focus on what truly matters. It's like this. Imagine holding a heavy backpack. If you carry it while also wrestling it the entire time, twisting, shaking, shoving it away, you're exhausted in minutes. But if you let it sit on your shoulders, uncomfortable but stable, you can keep moving toward your destination. That's what ACT teaches. It's not about turning off emotions. It's about turning off the struggle switch, so you can redirect your energy to the life you want to live. You don't have to love your anxiety. You just don't have to wrestle with it. So the next time a tough emotion shows up, pause and ask yourself, is my struggle switch on? And if it is, maybe it's time to try something different. Because real strength isn't about resisting every feeling. It's about allowing space for them and walking forward anyway.